Welcome back to my homemaking story. This bathroom has brought me so much stress lately. This also isn't a true depiction of what it looked like a few minutes prior. No, I took the broom and swept out all that was piled on the floor and had the girls remove all that was cluttering their counters. That's okay though, because you see, that part isn't considered cleaning. That's considered tidying. I don't often share myself tidying a space because I focus on the cleaning aspect for my videos. So some may say, why are you cleaning an already cleaned house? Well, there's a big difference between tidying and cleaning. And a lot of the things that need cleaning, someone wouldn't be able to necessarily see unless they were in the space themselves. Those things that need to be tidied, those things that are out of place, that is what brings me stress when I see it, not those things that need cleaning. I'm fine with the cleaning aspect. So what will I do moving forward? How can I ensure things don't get out of hand on a daily basis? Because ladies, we all know, it only takes a day. I am going to make myself get up and inspect those things I expect of my children. If this is a struggle that you have as well, I hope you will join me. It sure does add to the work we already have, but it will do much in the way of teaching our children of our expectations and give them comfort in knowing they have our guidance to look forward to. If you're new, I want to welcome you and hope you will consider subscribing to be inspired weekly to make the everyday beautiful. Something I've been looking forward to each morning is a fruit and spinach smoothie. This is one way I can ensure the kids and I are getting that extra nutrition and those much needed antioxidants. This past week I've been adding banana, pineapple juice, spinach, blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries with about 4 ice cubes. This makes a delicious summertime treat, especially at breakfast time. While everybody has been waking up at different times because of our lax summer schedule, breakfast has often been a time of peace and quiet, which has also been the perfect time for me to get in some much needed Bible study. Have you not read, "A good name is better than precious ointment, and the day of death than the day of one's birth"? It is better to go to the house of mourning than to go to the house of feasting, for that is the end of all men, and the living will lay it to his heart. Sorrow is better than laughter, for by the sadness of the countenance the heart is made better. The heart of the wise is in the house of mourning, but the heart of fools is in the house of mirth. It is better to hear the rebuke of the wise than for a man to hear the song of fools. For as the crackling of thorns under a pot, so is the laughter of the fool. This also is vanity. Surely oppression maketh a wise man mad, and a gift destroyeth the heart. Better is the end of a thing than the beginning thereof, and the patient in spirit is better than the proud in spirit. Be not hasty in thy spirit to be angry, for anger resteth in the bosom of fools. When was the last time you cleaned out your purse? Or better yet, cleaned it off? Some use the same purse every single day. Others like to switch it up with every outfit, and some every week or so. I have downsized quite a bit over the last year or two. There are times I enjoy a nice satchel or a shopper-style bag, but for everyday use, something small will do, and a crossbody makes it easy to be hands-free without the added stress on my shoulder or arm. There are a few things I like to carry with me wherever I go. What are your must-haves? The kids are forever asking to play another game or watch another movie together. This summer, I'm focusing on setting some time aside early in the day when I have the energy to, because this mama now enjoys an early bedtime routine. The older I'm getting, the harder it is to stay awake so late. I find I don't even work well into the night like I used to. A simple card game ensures lots of fun and plenty of memories. Do you have a favorite? In today's portion of my Leading Lady wardrobe, I'm sharing a peek at how the right undergarments can foster that perfect silhouette we seek. A leading lady is always aware of her current bra size and makes sure that her undergarments are especially in tip-top shape. For those items which are closest to the skin, we want luxury, lace over cotton, and with all the right details. There are so many solutions available that have made it possible for fabrics not to dig into the skin. Finding the right pieces may take a little searching at first, but once you find what complements your body, nothing else will quite do. Never underestimate a good bra or a beautiful pair of underwear. Remember that every single detail matters, and you are worth it, even if it's just for you. Just as I believe the right slip is the foundation of a beautiful dress, the right undergarments are the foundation of a beautiful slip. Everything goes hand in hand, beautiful layer by beautiful layer. If you're looking for more inspiration, head over to Patreon. In my latest video, I share a look at our campsite and give a tour of our tent with footage from our recent family vacation. This video is brought to you by our patrons and everyone who has purchased from my Etsy shop. We thank each of you for making these videos possible. If you have yet to purchase your own set of stationery, the link is in the description box below. For more ways to make the everyday beautiful, be sure to subscribe and click on this video.